Okay, boys and girls, the problem is solved. You can hear it nice and clean, both channels. And I got it on classics because that tends to not get any copyright issues. Classics are quite often public domain. So, what was the fault? It's kind of hard to point out now that I put it all back together, and it was impossible to film and do the troubleshooting. So, let's have a look. If I can get in there far enough. Right, now you're looking at this transistor here, and then back there's another one. You can see the little screw there. Well, if you can see, there's some wear marks on the screw now. That screw is loose. What would a loose screw have to do with distortion? Well, quite a lot, because on the inside, that block over there that you see beneath these resistors, that aluminium block, is a transistor. And it's supposed to bolt snugly up against this heatsink, which it didn't. So it was getting overheated and losing bias. And germanium transistors are notorious for that. They lose bias, they can do nothing. So now it's bolted up, and I've been running it for quite a while, and things are looking happy. How did I find the fault? Well, I don't have Freon, but I have contact cleaner, and I sprayed around here until I heard the distortion disappear, and then I knew what component I was dealing with. And it was that easy. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll put it together again, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching again. Bye!